Welcome. In front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to update drivers on this laptop. Generally speaking, you don't have to manually update drivers for your computer. Instead, you just have to go to Launcher section, then go to Settings. In Settings, go to About Chrome OS section, and then select Firmware Updates. And then just wait. If you have any updates prepared for you, then just wait until your device downloads and installs them automatically. And as you can see, for me, all firmware is up to date, which means that all the drivers are updated. So the only thing that you're gonna need for that is the internet connection. And if you have the internet connection, your device will download and install all the drivers automatically. And then your device will probably restart. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.